Guys, it's Las Vegas, Lori Ballen. I'm going to show you how to log in to your KW command. So if you are a Keller Williams agent, you're trying to access KW command, this is where you're going to go log in. Open a new browser and quite simply type in agent.kw.com. Agent.kw.com. Let me just log out of here so you can see what the login screen looks like. All right, so this is what you're going to see. And you're going to go ahead and log in with your username and password. Let me grab it there. Okay. And I'm sure we're going to have access in other places, but this is how you're going to quickly and easily log in. Agent.kw.com. Please subscribe to this channel, and I am making a complete playlist on command. I am not a designated trainer of Keller Williams, but instead I teach and train on my own methods to using all types of technology. So KW Command is one of many, and in this playlist I'm going to kind of just show you all of the different ways that I am going to be using or I am using KW Command.